Hey there, welcome to another adventure, and this one will be in the Navajo Nation and Grand Falls, Arizona, which is near a town called Loop. It's in northern Arizona, which is 30 miles northeast of Flagstaff, Arizona. It is also near Sunset Crater Volcano National Monument and Wapatki National Monument, and it's along the Little Colorado River. You're gonna come here, it's gonna be bumpy as heck. Just you might want to air down. I didn't air down because I ain't gonna be here that long, but you might want to air down. Still got 12 minutes left. So if you want to get to the top of the waterfall from the visitor center, there's going to be another trail to the right. And this is where I went. I took it, went down. It's a little rocky. I wouldn't recommend going here if you have like a regular vehicle. But if you have a 4x4 like me, then yeah, you'll be fine. Also in the distance you see there that Nissan, I believe is like a Nissan Altima. Looked like a rental car, but when they saw the water they turned around. So pretty smart on them, because you know, you don't want to get stuck in the water. Right now it's pretty low, but if the tide was higher or if it rained, I wouldn't even try this water crossing right here that I'm about to do. So you guys will see in a minute.
So the falls is up there, everybody's looking at it, right? That road back there, I didn't see the numbers all. So have you been across there? Yeah, I'm across there. That way, across the water?
I saw a truck just crossing.
It's concrete, isn't it?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Going that way. Okay.
Yeah, I'm making a video right now. So
watch.
I'll make a video on my YouTube, so here you go.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, you're welcome.
So as you heard the lady, they said they'd watch me cross, so I don't know if they're going to help me if I got stuck, but they decided to stay and watch. The other 3 Jeeps, I'm not sure if they're part of their group, but they decided not to cross the water and just go to the main viewpoint. But, you know, I got to get the content for you guys, so I was like, I got to cross this. So not going to lie, I was kind of pumped. My adrenaline was kind of pumping right here, so I just like send it right here. I was like, let's go. Let's cross the water. So let's see what happened. Another thing too is that Grand Falls highest point is 187 feet compared to Niagara Falls, which is only 180 feet. So Grand Falls is actually higher than Niagara Falls. So if you notice, the water is pretty low, but here's a picture of how it looks like after a rainfall. So there you have it. Hope you learned something from this video for your visit to Grand Falls. And again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment down below if you got any questions, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Alright, theAZcruiser out.